Kung estudyante ka and first time mong tutugtog on stage in front of your schoolmates, meron akong 3 tips para sa'yo. Una, this is not gonna sound good, pero hear me out, kakabahan ka. And it's okay to feel that. It's totally normal. In fact, kung kinakabahan ka, it's actually a good thing because it means that you actually care. The trick is to accept na mangyayari nga na kakabahan ka and that you have to prepare for it. It means practicing your DJ set, making sure your songs are already prepped and in order in a playlist, and ni-rehearse mo yung mga mixes mo and your transitions because again, this is the first time that you're playing out, di ba? My second tip is more of a technical one. If nagkamali ka sa transition mo, sabihin natin mali yung BPM or nagka-clash yung mga kick drum or something like that, ilipat mo kaagad yung crossfader. Basta lipat ka to the next song that you were transitioning to. Huwag mo nang ibabad yung mix. If it sounds bad, ilipat mo siya kaagad. Now, my third and last tip, and I think this is the most important one, you have to understand that mistakes usually happen in a DJ set. There is no perfect DJ set, even rehearsed or pre-planned or pre-recorded DJ sets never go 100% according to plan. Don't let that discourage you. Normal lang yan. It's part of life. So yun, hope these 3 tips help and good luck sa performance mo. Let me know how it goes.